It's Wednesday, my dudes, and today we leave for EDC, finally. As you can see, I am still packing, 1 hour away from departure, and the plan is we're leaving here around 8 o'clock-ish, I want to say, right after dinner time. Then we're driving straight down to Las Vegas, 17 hours. That's no bueno. But here is our route coming from Seattle, as you can tell. A little over 1,200 miles. That's gonna be glorious. Should be arriving, I think that's Twin Falls right there, around sunrise Thursday tomorrow morning. And then it looks like it has us going through Salt Lake City, about half an hour difference from whatever this stretch is. On the way back up, we'll be coming this route and exploring all that crap. So here's everything I'm bringing to EDC. Of course, the laptop, because I'll be working on the road. Bluetooth headphones, regular headphones. Of course, you gotta have your batteries, your adapters, your dongles, your dingle dangles. Got your body powder for your bojangles. Got a cheap pair of sunglasses here. Nice pair. This is for driving at night. You just put them on. Retro. Energy candy, Perlos, GoPro equipment, fanny pack, toiletries, some beach balls we can blow up, crap ton of hair ties because this rat's nest, like, what do you even do? Have your vitamins, the EDC buff, essential face mask for those dusty days on the speedway. Over here we got some aspirin, Z-Quil to make sure we knock out at night. That's gonna be important. A rolling pin, so essential to get out all those kinks from your feet. Mouth guard, just in case of lockjaw, just because. These bad boys are high-tech earplugs. They're supposed to reduce the noise level without distorting the sound. So when you're up close to the stage in front of all those loudspeakers, it won't damage your ears. Drones, I'm gonna be getting a lot of drone shots. Bluetooth speaker. Oh, gotta have the tickets and the shuttle passes. Those are important. Fine, look who came to help me pack. Got kitty number 1 and kitty number 2 with the eyes so blue. Aww. So that's it, preparation-wise. Next up, we got 1,200 miles ahead of us. Yay, let's hit the road. Oh, and I promise not to do one of those cheesy Indiana Jones-style map montages later, but I just might. The story continues.